So many times we take for granted content and we use like things we find on Pinterest. I've been guilty. We post a post because we literally just need something to go up that day to be because we're told to be consistent. And there are so many things that go into content, and I don't think we realize the impact that it has. And I'll be honest, I don't know that I've realized probably the past year, I've started to realize the impact that my content has on my audience. And it goes so much further than filling a box on the grid of Instagram. It goes so much further than filling up a 15-second spot on TikTok. It goes so much further than, posting a morning piece of motivation every time you get up on Facebook. It's so much more than just showing behind the scenes on your stories. Our content is reaching so many more people than we even know. And you probably aren't getting instant gratification, so you probably aren't 100% on board and believing me in this right now. But here's what I do know. My content helps me sell. My content helps position me as the expert. My content lives on when it's shared and when it's saved by people who find it. My content helps position me in what I love to do. It helps teach my audience and give value and really just help them see, dang, this is free. She taught me how to do this. This is a game changer. What's going to happen if I spend money with her? What's going to happen if I join a program? Yes, your content should be motivating, but your content should also be very value-based driven. Your content should talk about you too. People are on social media to learn, to be entertained, to be inspired. They're not going to Google all the time to search the things that they're struggling with. A lot of times they're coming to Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or TikTok to learn and be inspired and find hacks and tips and tricks to do whatever it is that their heart desires. Are you one of those people that people follow? Are you one of those people that they keep coming back for? Content is so vital. It's so important. It's important now. It's important when you have that launch in 3 months. Yes, of course, I'm going to say video and visibility and all that goes in that. But the words that you say, the words that you say, the words that you type, the things that you put on graphics, those things matter. We are not doing content to check a box. We are not doing content to, just like going through the motions. Create content like you mean it, my friend. Create content like it can change somebody's life. Create content like you're going to make their day better because now you've given them a hack on how to work smarter, not harder. Create content with a story of your transformation, of your audience's transformation. Create content that builds the strongest like, know, and trust you can with your audience, that lets them in, that lets them see who you are, that lets them decide if you are for them or not, and make them hungry for more, them desire more, so that when you have that launch, when you have that offer, it's always an easy yes. I was talking to my program today. We're doing Ignite Your Offers, and we're creating offers. And we talked about how some people buy really fast, right? Some people get married really fast too. And some people need to be nurtured for a while. I need to follow you for a while. It takes them a longer time to build up trust. And maybe they have 5-year engagements before they get married. We're all different. We all have different trust levels. We all have different thoughts and blocks when it comes to money. And and investing in programs that are year long, even maybe 3-month long, which is what mine are. Trust that your people will move when they are ready, as long as you're delivering them what you should be delivering them. You, my friend, are your best content creator. You can get prompts from other people. You can let other people do your content. I do people's content. But the people that we have, the companies, the brands that we have the most success with, we are a team. We are both compiling content. They still show up as the face of their business. I have clients from having 3,000 followers to clients who have 110,000 followers on one single platform, not multiple, on one single platform. Both of them do really well in their businesses. Both of them are multi-6, 7-figure businesses. But the way they are getting there is because they are putting out their own content too. It's not just me. They're not just laying around waiting for me to do it. They're also a part of it because they know that their message matters. They know that what they have to say matters. They know that they are their best content creator. They know that it's more important to find a strategy in your content and not just post to post. They know that the intention, the emotions that you make people feel when you put your content out is everything. I'm so excited. I'm going to give you a little tease here. There's not even a link I can give you right now, but we are going to come have the Visible Way, which is coming out this fall. And the Visible Way is truly going to help you do all of this. Your content should help you sell. Your content should help you build relationships. Your content should help position you as the expert. Your content should be shareable. Your content should be savable. Your content should live on. Your content should multiply. Captivating content is contagious. It's contagious because other people want to copy it. It's contagious because other people want to be around you. The question is, are you going to continue to get better at content, or are you like, I hate it and I'm done? I will tell you this right now. As somebody who has created content for, God, this is going to date me, 12 years. I have been creating content for a combination of my business and other people's businesses. At one point, I had 15 clients and I was creating 5 pieces of content a week for them. Do the math. It's a lot of content. And I had a program where people could get like content every week delivered to them. It's a lot of content. The world, I can't remember this exact quote and I can't remember who said it, but the world has enough stuff. The world has enough noise. Stop putting noisy content out there. Stop putting stuff out there just to post. Put something out there that means something to you, to your audience. When we can put out potent content, when we can put out passionate content, when we can put out content with a purpose, with a plan, we are always going to evoke an emotion from our audience. And it's huge. It's important. It's huge. It's important. So if you want to check out this upcoming program I have, it is going to be a 2-week program. So we're going to get through it super fast. I'm going to teach you the visible framework and all of the things that you need to do when it comes to growing relationships on your platforms. This is not DMing people. This is not engaging with people. This is truly how you show up. And I am proof. My first Inner Circle launch, 3-4 people joined that I didn't know. I had no idea. I did not know them. I did not know they were paying attention to me. I didn't know they were on my email list. I didn't know they were watching. The second Inner Circle opening or launch that I had, 2 people joined. I did not know. Same thing. The third, 1 person joined. I did not know. The fourth, 1 person joined that I did not know. People join my programs all the time that I do not know. That is not the case on their end. They feel like they know me, they've watched me, or they've consumed enough of my content. And it may have just been in 24 hours because there's enough out there to do that. But they have felt like they like, know, and trust me enough to move and say yes to what I am offering. And that is what I want for every person that I work with. I want that for you, my friend. Even if we're not working together yet, I want that for you. Maybe that is the block. Maybe that is the next thing that you need to be able to join a program. You, no matter how many followers you have, can build a bigger impact online. The question is, are you willing to do more? Are you willing to learn? I will tell you this right now. As somebody who's created content for 12 years, that what we figured out, I will never stop improving my content creation skills. I will never stop taking content creation courses that I see that lift me up, that are from people who have done this longer than me, from people who have figured out things that I haven't figured out yet. I will never stop up-leveling my content creation process. I will never stop up-leveling the way I teach how to create content, how to show up. So if you're interested in the visible way, make sure you reach out to me so that I can get you that link when it's an early bird. It will be coming up soon. There will be a bundle deal that we're going to do with the Black Friday Accelerator. So you can do both and really just get really crush your fourth quarter and be ready, build those relationships and launch those products and be ready for those sales. So make sure you reach out to me if you want more information on that. I love serving and supporting you. Please remember that you personally, not your social media person, not somebody giving you content prompts, you, my friend, deserve to be heard. You deserve to be seen, and you definitely deserve to be paid. And that's what I want for you in your business.